Hi everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel where you can find videos that will make math more fun and easy for you to become winner in numbers, winner in life. In this video, I'm going to present to you how to differentiate odd numbers from even numbers. Though these are two of the basic terms in mathematics, but still some students find it confusing in using these two terms. So in this video, I'm going to present how we are going to differentiate odd numbers from even numbers. But of course, before going to our discussions, let me shout out first the first one who commented with the correct answers on the activities or exercises given on the video on how to reduce fractions. Actually, she's already twice in a row for sending in with the correct answers, and she is no other than Cindy Chen Aragones. So thank you again, Cindy, for your support to my YouTube channel. I hope that you will continue watching my videos and my future videos as well. So for those who have not commented yet or suggested a topic for my future videos, you can do so by following these simple steps. So since this channel is intended for kids, the comment section under this video is automatically disabled. So for you to comment or to suggest topics for my future videos, you can do so by clicking this show more icon here, so that you will be prompted with my Facebook page and Twitter accounts under the description box. Once you click the link for my Facebook page, you will be prompted with my Facebook page, which is ROWEL CARPIO Math Tutorial. So in here, you can comment your answers on the given activities on every video, and you can also suggest topics for my future videos. Thank you in advance for your support. Going back to our discussions on differentiating odd numbers from even numbers. So to help us out, let us have these illustrations or our model. So we will be using this balance model. So if you can see here, in our balance, we have two pans. This is where we are going to place our objects to be compared of. So if the two objects are of the same weight, definitely the two pans are balanced. But of course, if the weights of the two objects placed on these two pans are not the same, definitely the two pans are not balanced. The pan will be tilted towards the object with the higher weight. So let us use this illustration or this model to test whether our number can also form a balance or not. So definitely, if we have 0, no object to be placed on the pans, definitely the model or our model will be balanced. So definitely it's a yes. When we have one unit, we will place the 1 unit on one of the pans while the other pan will be empty. So definitely it will be tilted toward on the side where we place our 1 unit. So definitely our model is not balanced. So here it's a no. When we have 2 units, 1 unit per pan, so definitely it will be balanced. So it's a yes. Now let's go to the other numbers. We have 3 units. So 2 units for 1 pan and 1 unit for the other. So definitely our model is not balanced. So it's a no. For 4, since there are 2 units per pan, so it's balanced. So it's a yes. For 5, 3 units on the left and 2 units on the right, so it's not balanced. So it's a no. Let's proceed to 6. For 6 units, we have 3 units on the left and 3 units on the right, so it's a yes. For 7 units, 4 units on the left and 3 units on the right, so it is not balanced. So it's a no. While for 8, we have 4 units on the left, 4 units also on the right, so it is balanced. So what do these illustrations tell us? Now if we can see here, we try to divide equally each number into two equal groups or two equal parts. Now for all those numbers that can be divided equally into two, let's say we have 6 and 8, they can be divided equally into two. Our model is balanced. But for numbers that cannot be divided equally into two, let's say 7, our model is not balanced. So, in other words, all those numbers that are balanced are even numbers, while those numbers that are not balanced are odd numbers. Now again, for numbers that cannot be divided equally into two, let's say 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9, they are all odd numbers. But for numbers that can be divided equally, they are called even numbers. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are all even numbers. Let us complete this table based on our illustrations above. So based on the illustrations, can the number be divided equally by 2? So we said that all odd numbers cannot be divided equally into 2. So meaning to say that this is no for odd numbers, but a yes for even numbers. So since all even numbers can be divided equally into 2, so definitely 2 is one of the factors of all even numbers. So here it's a yes. And since all odd numbers cannot be divided equally into 2, so therefore 2 is not one of the factors of all odd numbers. So this is a no. Now, what if we have a larger number? How can we determine now whether it is an even number or an odd number? We don't need anymore to divide the number equally into 2 for us to test whether it is an odd or an even number. All we have to do is to look at the last digit of the given number. So, all odd numbers end with 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. So any number that ends with 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9, they are all odd numbers. For example, 793. So the last digit is 3. 101. The last digit is 1. Therefore, they are all odd numbers. So for even numbers, the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. So any number that ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, it is an even number. For example, 7,908. Since 8 is the last digit, so therefore that number is an even number. 402 is also an even number because the last digit is 2. So it is now your turn to answer the following exercises. So when you are done answering, you can send in your answers on my Facebook page for you to get a chance for a free shout out on my next video. So you just simply answer the following questions. How many odd numbers are there from 1 to 20? For number 2, how many even numbers are there between 30 and 50? So, in your comment, kindly write the tag hashtag add even, then your correct answers to the given questions, and then you can post that on my Facebook page. So thank you for watching. I hope that you have learned and enjoyed watching this video. See you on my next video.